Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know me, my name is Desiree and I do make budget videos here on YouTube. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, if you're already subscribed to my channel, thanks for joining in for another video. In today's video, we're just going to go over my mid-month check-in for the month of February. Now, if you're wondering where I got this kit from, I got it from Her Courage to Plan. I will link her information below. She do have an Etsy shop, and all of her monthly kits for budgeting are the freaking bomb. I love them. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to work, I did budget for $2,400, but at the moment, I did receive $2,838.28, and that's $1,178.44 from the first paycheck and $1,659.85 from the second paycheck. When it comes to the extra amount, I didn't budget for anything. I never do, but the extra amount as of right now comes to $623.88 for a total of $3,462.16. For the giving category, I really didn't know how much to budget for, but the total for tithes is $341. When it comes to rent, I did budget for $745, and we paid the entire thing, so $745. When it comes to Afterpay, I really wasn't thinking about paying this off, but I decided to go ahead and do so. So this amount is the same, $54 and 55 cents. For PayPal, it's the same as Afterpay. I wasn't planning on paying this off, but I did because the amount was very low, so $37. When it comes to my Vanderbilt medical bill, that amount is automatically taken out every month on the 15th for the same amount until I pay it off myself or until it get paid off. So $55. I am going to insert a photo just showing how much I owe. It's just a little over $1,000, but my plan is to get that paid off right after I pay Discover off. For AT&T, I did budget for $213, and that's how much we ended up spending. For Discover, I did budget to pay $100 towards the I did budget to pay $100 towards Discover, but I ended up paying $400. For State Farm, that amount is the same, so $142. And when it comes to the electric, that amount is the same for $130. And if we get to the bottom and add everything up, that amount is $1,776.55 that went towards expenses. For the envelopes, for food, I planned for $290, but that amount ended up coming to way too much for me, $358.48. And what I did end up having to do was pretty much stock up on food because of the bad snowstorm that we got. So I ended up spending way too much money on food due to the snow. I think we pretty much stayed in the house for at least 4 or 5 days around Valentine's Day. For gas, I did budget for $60. And I did spend $60 on gas, and that's just $30 from each paycheck. For travel, due to the bad weather, the plans were canceled, so we didn't use any of that money. For Valentine's Day, I did budget for $60, but I ended up not spending anything. When it comes to washing, wasn't able to get to the washer to wash. For planner stuff, I did budget $0. And then I ended up spending $37.57. You all know how I feel about gold mining cocoa. If you don't know who Felicia Jarrell is, check out the website. I promise you, you're going to love everything you see. When it comes to household, I didn't budget for anything. The household amount ended up with the groceries. So we're just going to put $0 here. For fast food, I really wasn't trying to spend any money on fast food, but as always, it ended up happening anyway. So we ended up spending $92.95, which is way too much to spend on fast food in a month. For me, that's what I think anyway. I'm not sure about you all. When it comes to ticket, I did budget for $40, and I did save $40 for that ticket that's due. I believe it's due in May. I know it's $120. For savings, I really wasn't planning on saving anything for the month of February, but I filed my taxes. I got them back in about 5 days. I used Free Tax USA or Tax Free USA, whichever one it is. So I ended up saving $918.85. And for unbudgeted, I ended up spending too much money for me, but whatever. $126.00, or 7 cents rather. For savings, I'll just go back over it again. For savings, it's $918.85. For unbudgeted, that amount is $126.07. And if we were to add everything up, that brings that total amount to $1,633.92. And down here where it asks for the income, we'll go ahead and fill that out, even though I didn't do it for the planned amount, but that's okay. So for the mid-month check-in, we have $3,462.17. For given overall, we have $341. For the expenses, we have $1,776.55. For savings, we don't have anything due to that amount being where the cash envelopes are. So for envelopes, we have $1,633.92. For extra debt, there is none. And the remaining amount that we have is $51.17 left until I get paid on Wednesday of next week. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I do hope you have a great rest of your day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.